Mara Smith Beckford, and she's with us this morning. But strange enough, her stuff name Kathyz Kreationz. Well, I'll find out who's Kathy. I kind of have a feeling that I should be twanging because she was born in London. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you, Tamara?
Thank you ever so much for having me.
It is our pleasure. I love your stuff already. But who's Kathy, by the way?
So Kathy is my mother. She passed when I was 16.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And I knew that anytime, anything that I do in life, I wanted to incorporate, just have a little reminder of her and carry it with me. You know?
Yeah?
So, yeah.
And this is part of that?
Yeah, this is.
So explain what your mom used to do, why you thought you could do this.
So my mother, she did catering. She was very creative. She did cakes, decor, and all of those stuff. And a little of that creativity kind of stemmed into me. Okay. So I wasn't sure if I could do it, but I'm happy I went along.
When did you find out that you could do it? And why did you want to do this particular, these things that we have here?
So in 2019, I did a class at Sanan. It was a wire wrapping class, and I wasn't quite sure if I would enjoy it, but I just went because I needed a creative outlet. Doing a regular 9 to 5 can become a little mundane sometimes. I did it, I enjoyed it, and I continued.
And as I said, the rest is history.
The rest is history.
But this is a hobby because you still have a 9 to 5.
I do.
But do you sell your stuff, or you just bring all of this to give it to us this morning?
No, man, no.
You don't bring nothing to give me this morning?
Well, you can get a little thing, man. You can get a little thing. Oh. However, okay. I do sell my stuff there on Instagram, and I'm creating a website which should be up at the start of the year.
All right, and you make all of this
Everything
yourself?
was handmade, yes.
Yourself?
Them here, yeah.
Okay. So your husband just sit down and watch you? I know this.
He helps a lot. But as it relates to the hand part, no.
You can't manage?
No, he can't manage that one.
What a wicked man. All right, so let's start from over there, and you kind of explain as we come across. So explain, I mean, I can't see, but tell me what we're looking at there.
So these are agate wire wrapped agate slices. This is a tree of life. These are pendants, and you can basically wear them with any outfit. This is, it has a belt, it has a little bag here, earrings, and a neck piece. I call it Blue Passion.
Before you go any further, go back to those. Where would the ideas come from, what you want to put on a pendant?
Anywhere, you know, like, I mean, literally anywhere. Like, I can just be walking and I see a plant or a flower.
And it hits you and
it just hits me.
Right, okay.
And it just comes to
come down the road
pass.
now. What are these?
All right, so these are rings. These are wire-wrapped rings.
These are rings right here?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, let me show you.
Yeah, man. Take out one.
You can take out one. And you know, you put it on. Oh, you want to put it on? No,
no problem.
No problem. Yeah. Yeah.
That's me about my ring. All right.
Yes.
There you go. What are these fellows here?
No, these little cute beauties, they are nose cuffs.
Nose cuffs?
Nose cuffs, yes. So if you don't have a nose piercing, you can just put it on, slide it, and you know, just finish the outfit.
And I suspect that's kind of popular, right?
It's very popular.
Yeah, man. And this fella here is?
So that's an arm cuff. So it wears up right here, yeah.
So you have a nose cuff, an arm cuff.
Arm cuff, yes.
You can put a cuff anywhere else?
Literally, you know.
Anywhere else?
Yes, I do have ear cuffs as well. I don't have them right for display, but
and
yes.
these again are earrings with matching?
Yes, with matching. You know, sometimes you need to match out.
I like these. And these, so they're all earrings, right?
Most of them are earrings. We have bracelets, arm cuffs.
Yeah. What kind of material are we talking about with these?
So we're talking about copper. A lot of them are copper, tarnish resistant copper. We have African prints. We use
tarnish resistant.
Yes, so they don't change
or anything.
Exactly, you know.
Okay. You can bead them and stuff?
Yes,
okay,
and you know, they will keep them.
And just regular earrings here?
Yeah, and these are just resin.
What is this fellow right here?
So that is a tree of life.
A tree of life?
Yes, and it's actually copper wire wrapped in beading.
I'm going to pick up this one. Work with me here. This is quite intricate, though, with all these little things.
Yes, with little beadings and so forth.
No, but Tamara, you win still, you know?
I'm going to try my thing.
No, man, this is beautiful. Beautiful. And quite firm and stuff. And just regular earrings again?
And yes, and those
Wonderful.
are earrings.
And these are what? These are what? Stones? What are these?
Yes, so some of them are used different gemstones, some are glass beads, so it depends.
You said you didn't bring something.
Oh, it was ear cuffs, yeah.
Everything else is right here?
Yes, that's...
And you make beads also?
Yes.
So me have one.
Yes, we see it.
All right. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. This is nice too. I went work with me again. This is very nice too.
That's another tree of life.
Yeah, man. Tree of life mean...
It's growth, basically growth. To me, it's just inspiration.
Fantastic. Where can you be found?
I can be found at Kathy_Kreation on IG, and my email is tomorrow@kathyzkreation.com.
Fantastic. Great to meet you.
Awesome.
And you were born in London?
And I was born in London.
You get deported like
No deportation.
Okay. Tease me and tease you. And Clive was deported. He should have been, but he wasn't. All right, her name, Tamara Smith Beckford, and she's the creative entrepreneur, and she's the owner of Kathyz Kreationz, spelled with Z. You know, them just dash with the S all of a sudden. All right, we're going to take a break. More and Smile when we come back. Stay with us, please.